Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix website reload when clicking a button. So if you're experiencing unwanted page reloads when clicking a button on a Wix website, this guide will walk you through the quick fixes to stop this issue and make your site function smoothly. So open your Wix editor and locate the button that's causing the issue. So I will navigate at the bottom of my page and this is my button for example. I will click on settings after selecting this button. Now, if you have choose go to site, page or lightbox, you will see choose a link button where you'll have to just click on the link in the setting and ensure that the link is correctly set and it's not linking to the same page, causing a reload. If it's set to link on the same page, change it to appropriate target. You can choose web address and paste a URL that the person would be redirected to if they click on this button. Now, if you have added custom JavaScript or Wix code on Velo, there could be a conflict causing the reload. Simply click on dev mode at the top left, click on turn on dev mode and check for any code that may trigger a reload when interacting with the button. Look for window.location.reload bracket or similar commands that could cause the page to reload and remove them if not needed. Now, sometimes button actions are set to reload the page by default. To stop this, click on the button, go to settings and disable any automatic actions like form submissions or reload triggers unless required. Now, if your button is a part of a form, check the form setting. Ensure that the form doesn't automatically reload the page upon submission, and if it does, you can switch to Ajax from submission to prevent the reload. Now, sometimes caching issues may cause strange behavior with buttons on Wix. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then check if the issue persists. So you can click on three-dotted icon in the top right, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear and make sure that you choose cookies and other site data and click on clear. Or also you must choose cached images and files and click on clear now. And that could also fix the problem. Now, preview your site in different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari to see if the issue is browser specific. Sometimes browser settings or extensions can interfere with how buttons work. And after making the necessary changes, preview the website in both desktop and mobile views. Click on the button again to ensure that the page no longer reloads. And that's how you fix the page reload issue when clicking a button on your Wix website. Make sure to publish your changes and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful Wix tips and I will see you in the next one.